Hi guys! So today's video, I'm going to do another holiday makeup look, and this time I am inspired by my previous video. Hindi pala previous video, old video. That's like 3 years ago. 3 years ago, yes love. 3 years ago, meron akong ginawang drunk blush na pangmalakasan. Thank you! Guys, so this video is going to be super duper chaotic because my husband and my baby, they're here. I thank you! So 3 years ago, I made a pangmalakasan drunk blush and nakita ko ulit siya kanina. So I got inspired. Yung 3 years ago version, that's like Patwitam's version. For this version, I'm going to make it like a little bit more glam. Pero yung parang style or overall look niya is kind of similar to what I did like 3 years ago. So I hope you don't mind. I got inspiration from myself. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm not sure if I can talk for the entire video dahil I have companions here. That's yung isa super duper ingay at pinapakailaman na po yung makeup ko. Papa! Without further ado, let's get into the makeup. Thank you! Skin prep na ako, nag-moisturize na ako and everything. So I'm going to proceed with the base na. I really want, oh my god, na-inlove ako sa sarili kong dewy glowy skin 3 years ago on that makeup look. Link down below if you want to see that video. So I'm going to do a similar dewy channeling base. Oh, Pond's current favorite glow up Insta Bright. So I did my brows na off cam. You don't need to see it because it's quite boring. It's the same thing. But for my base, gagamitin ko yung aking Everbalena All Day Liquid Foundation. Haven't used this in a while. And lalagyan ko ng BLK Cosmetics Illuminating Skin Tint to achieve like the dewy glowy finish. Okay, so mamaya ko na isa-set yung face ko. Hayaan ko munang mag-set na kusa yung base natin. And then, what I'm going to do is my eyes na. And like I said, dun sa video ko 3 years ago, that's like the Patwitam's version. This version is going to be like a more mature, more mature. So, I'm going to use itong Caroline Full Face Palette Play to Slay. If you don't mind guys, usually yung mga products na ginagamit ko is really like affordable because the channel na to, ang priority ay affordable products and not so much of the expensive ones. Done with the transition shape, and then I'm going to get like a sort of kind of flat brush. And then babasain ko. And I do suggest gumamit ka ng makeup setting spray to make basa-basa that that brush. And then I think I'm gonna go for this one, the sparkly brown, bronzy-ish. And then yun ang i-apply ko all over my lids. I'm going to get some of this one right here. Yung very light champagne color. And then, ipapatong ko lang like, you know, random. Just so we can have a little bit more sparkle. Whatever I put on top, I'm gonna put at the bottom as well. Starting with the bronzy, shiny, shimmering Splendid. I think I'm gonna go get the highlighting shade, still with a wet brush. kahit shiny, shimmering, splendid yung eyes natin, we want a little bit more definition. So I am going to get this shade right here. And you know the drill. I'm going to apply it at the outer corners. Slowly but surely. Actually guys, ina-exage ko siya ng very slight. Like that. So we can get like kind of bigger eyes. I'm going to do a baby wing line. So I'm going to apply Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. I'm going to be very generous, you guys, because I'm not gonna put falsies. I was supposed to, pero my lash glue is missing. Nakakaloka talaga this mascara. You see the difference, you guys? This is, by the way, like 30, 40, 50 like strokes. Alright guys, so may sarili ng buhay ang aking lashes now. We're going to proceed with the next step, and that would be the most exciting part, is yung paglalagay mismo ng blushicals. And the blush I'm going to use is like super duper matingkad and really pink, and this is from Skin Potion's Dream Cream in the shade Louis. I'm going to put it here muna. We don't wanna apply that like directly on our cheeks. Of course, you wanna warm it up muna. And then apply it like slowly but surely. And I'm going to use Igari style of drunk blush. When you say Igari style, like dama yung under eyes. And I do believe that's like the Japanese style of drunk blush. So pigmented. My style of drunk blush is I really focus like over here. I really hate yung mga drunk blush na paganon, like diretsong ganyan. It's not natural. Well, hindi naman natural to, pero it doesn't look, you know, ridiculous compared dun sa parang isang diretsong ganon. And then, itatawid ko na siya slowly but surely over the bridge of my nosicles. The secret to success, you guys, is blend everything well together. Next I'm going to do is set my face, and I'm going to use Skin Potion's Glow Dust in the shade Sizzle because I don't want like a matte face. And then didiretso na ako ng contour. Still using the wet beauty sponge. Ara Colors highlighter, contour highlighter duo as per usual. So before I do my highlight, basahin ko muna yung face ko ulit. Try ko naman yung highlighter nung Play to Slay ng Caroline. My lips, I guess, sundin natin yung ginawa ako 3 years ago. Nag-lip tint muna ako. This is from Every Bolena Blush Rush in this shade, I don't know what shade you are. Red Bomb. And then after the first layer, I'm going to use itong another Dream Cream from Skin Potions in the shade Scarlet. my god, you guys, I forgot about Louis, but this is a really good, this is a really nice like nude color. God, why did I not include it at my best nudes? And then, yung Louis ulit, or Louise, I'm gonna put it at the middle. Hey guys, so this is the finished look right here. First, in person, super duper pigmented talaga yung blush ko. Up! Honestly, in person, super duper pigmented yung blush ko. Pero on cam, paano feeling ko nawawash? At ako ng banggang-bangga. I don't know if it's the lighting. But anyway, this is the finished look, you guys. And believe it or not, I'm wearing the same, whatchamacallit? Beanie from that video. Ito ba yun? Yeah, I think ito yun. So yeah, by the way, you guys, this 12/12, well, today's 12/12, I'm pretty sure ang daming products on my sale, but I want to specifically highlight na ang Skin Potions my sale ng bonggang-bongga. I will link everything down below, all the products that I use, especially my Skin Potions products. I love Skin Potions products. This video is not sponsored, but I just genuinely love Skin Potions, as well as yung parang Skin Potions family. If you're interested to purchase the Skin Potions products I use today, everything will be linked down below. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa isang linggo na tuloy-tuloy uploads of different holiday-themed video. But anyway, I hope I was able to give you another idea for your holiday or Christmas, New Year look. Kung gusto niyo ng drunk blush na shiny, shimmering, sparkly, so here it is. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!